Hi everybody. So we are here at Capilano Suspension Bridge and Park. Paid about $160 for 2 adults, and it is free for kids under 6 years old. It's kind of expensive, but I think the park is really beautiful. There's a grill, restaurant. Let's do some free walking. There are lots of nice cafes, restaurants you can enjoy. Oh, watermill. It's not running right now. So we are at the north of Vancouver. I mean, I would say 20 kilometers away from Vancouver. Here is the suspended bridge. We are gonna go there. All right, going down. We are like 50 feet above the ground. There's a nice water sound as a suspended bridge. Are you scared?
No.
No, it's so high. Look. Look. Burak, are you scared? A little bit? Wait here, Burak. Come on, wait here. So this is the cliff. You see, it's very high. It's cool. Yes. I think this is like maybe from here, from the bottom all the way to top, I would say 100 feet. It's 100 feet, Ola. Look at that. So cool. Don't drop anything. If you drop something, you cannot get it, I think. Yes, I gotta be so careful. Come here. That's a dead tree. Look at the tree. Oh boy. So high. Oh. How you feeling? Feeling good? Nasıl hissediyorsun? All right. So we are going on top of trees. They have tree houses. We are able to walk 50 feet above the ground among the trees. So we are going up right now. So we are walking among the trees right now. Good job, Bilal. You did well. Okay, welcome back. So we continue our journey at this #1 beautiful park in the world. It's amazing. I never been at any park like this. So we paid about $160, but I think it is worth it. You did it, Burak. Did you ask? Say again? Okay, so you are done with your scavenger hunt? Yeah? So people are suspending on the bridge. We're gonna get some other bowls with maple syrup and chai latte, hot chai latte, and probably one latte.